All right, welcome back. In this video, I wanted to answer a question that Steve asked inside the Show Express training group. And so I figure let's make a video so I can show everybody how to do it as well. So the question was, how can I black out my look or my scene without turning everything off? So for instance, if this is our scene and we did a blackout right here, everything shuts off, great. But then you would have to go back and turn your scene back on. And then also when you click the blackout button, as you can see, all movements, everything goes back to the home position and just stops. So the question is, how can I black out my scene without affecting any movements, and just simply black out for the time being, release the button, and then everything goes back to the way they were going. And or black out everything and or turn on a blinder, let's say. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create something that will work the best. All right. So we got our scene. Let's turn it back on. Perfect. All right. So essentially, you're going to want to create a flash button. So to do this, let's go to the editor steps. And what we're going to do is we're wanting to create a scene that affects only the dimmer channel of each fixture that we wanted to turn off. So in this case, let's turn off our whole stage basically. So we're just going to create a step scene and we're going to go through it. So right here we have the vizies that are on. So all we're going to do, highlight our vizies, and we're just going to go directly to the dimmer channel. Make sure we're on snap. And now you can see our dimmer channel is off, but you can see the movement still rolling on those vizies. And let's do our 3Zs, dimmer channel, and let's go to snap. It's important to do snap, otherwise if you hit the button, it's going to fade out. We don't want that. I don't even like to affect the shutter on this. I simply like to edit the dimmer. The reason why is if you do the shutter, and if it's on a certain point in the shutter where you're going to see a noticeable change, we don't want that. We want it to be clean on and off. So definitely focus on that for this shutter. So let's do our pars. I think we got some hidden here. Yes, we do. Let's do these, and let's just do simply the dimmer. Make sure we're on snap mode. Let's do our pixels. We're going to have to do all of these, and we're going to do snap mode. Boosh, boosh, missed one. There we go. Shh, looks good. And let's see, LED par 64. Don't need to do that. And then we got these. Great. And let's do our intimidators. Make sure we're good there. Off. All right. Perfect. Actually, you know what? We're not going to do these because these could be our spotlights for our band members. So don't need to shut them off, or you can in this instance, but let's just do focus on these lights. All right, and so let's say in this scene we wanted to shut out your stage black, and then say turn on your blinder, so we can do our blinder up. So we have everything that's off on the dimmer, and then our blinder is on. Perfect. So let's go ahead and save this scene. Now it's going to call it solo blackout, and then I would put for this, the fixture that you want on. So this could be like blinder or solo blackout strobes or solo blackout whitewash or just stage wash. You can really play around with whatever blackout you want to work with. So let's do solo blackout blinder. Perfect. Clear out. Let's go back to live. Go under assets. And let's go ahead and add a step scene. Solo blackout blinder, open. Right click, and we're going to use flash button. So then, got our show. And we're good to go. And as you can see, all of our fixtures are moving in black now. So very, very simple to do. And let's go change it up here. Let's do this guy. That'll work on all of them here. Boom, done. Boosh. Sweet. And you can go ahead and mini map this this solo blackout as well to your MIDI board, or keyboard, or assign it wherever you need it to be. So that is how you create that effect. So I hope that answered the question. Thank you, Steve, and until next time.